Physicists at Penn just built a particle that is half light and half matter, and it might fix the biggest energy problem in artificial intelligence. Here's the problem. Computer chips run on electrons. Electrons are great at switching on and off, which is how you do logic, but they bump into things, generate heat, and waste enormous energy. So engineers tried using light instead. Photons move incredibly fast and barely lose energy. The problem? Two beams of light pass straight through each other. They don't interact, so light alone cannot make a decision. That forces photonic chips to convert light back into electricity every time they need to switch, and that conversion throws away the speed advantage you paid for. The Penn team, led by Bo Zhen, found a way around it. Inside an atom-thin semiconductor, they glued a photon to an electron, creating a hybrid called an exciton-polariton. This new particle gets the best of both worlds. It carries light speed, but because it's part matter, it can interact. Which means, for the first time, you can switch light with light. And it zips power. A single all-optical switch used just 4 femtojoules, that's 4 quadrillionths of a joule, with no detour through electronics. AI data centers are projected to swallow staggering amounts of electricity. A chip that computes directly with light, never slowing down to switch, could change that math entirely.